Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be doing a sauteed lobster tail. That's gonna be very flavorful. I'm gonna show you how, flavor is my friend, you guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into these ingredients and how to saute this the very easy and simple way. You'll be surprised. So what we got, I'm gonna show you the items that we got. All you need is 2 lobsters. It can be small or medium. Now all these ingredients come from H-E-B. So if you don't have H-E-B in there, go to your local store. You might have them. This is some compound butter, which is some herb, herb crusted garlic butter and garlic. You know what I'm saying? These are all you need to prepare, nice lobsters for, for the 2 of you guys. You can have more and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you one way to do it where how to prepare these real quick and easy and very, very simple with just these ingredients. All right, so let's get over to whipping it up. Guys, so what you want to do is melt down 1 stick of butter. Don't burn it, so actually lower down the low till you finish melting it. And then next, what you're gonna do is add 2 pieces of the compound butter that you got for flavor. And you see, this is all the salt you're gonna need when we add in the lobster tail. So I'm gonna let this melt down, and then I'm gonna go into the next step. While the butter is melting down, I'm gonna show you how to cut your lobster, you guys. This is the key. So right here, right in the front of the lobster, you wanna cut it. So make sure you have some good scissors and just cut it down. You should have no issue with cutting it. When you get to the bottom part right here, cut 2 slits on each side. And that's it. It's pretty much open. You don't have to open it up. I just open it up a little bit. But so do the second one the same exact way. All right, so now the butter is fully melted. Just add in your lobsters, guys. And that's all there is to it. Flip it upside down and put it on medium low. And all you gotta do is just turn them when they start turning colors. But what you're gonna do is you're basting your lobster in butter. Instead of boiling the water to take the flavor out, you're gonna put all the flavor back in with your butter and the herb crusted butter that the compound butter that we have. So let me finish cooking this up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, you guys. So what you want to make sure is your inner temperature of your lobster. You can use a thermal probe or thermometer. The meat thermometer is sticking to it. Make sure it's 140 degrees. Now, you can do it 145. That is the doneness, but the results at 140 is because it continues to cook. So right now it's done. Once you start seeing it, that's what I said. I'm showing you the reason why I showed you the temperature is because, I told you the temperature because it may look red, but it may not still be done. So you got to make sure it's still in the inner temperature is 140 degrees, you guys. All right, so this is going to be done, and I'll show you. I'm going to plate it up when it's finished. All right, you guys, so we see that these lobster tails with the herb crusted butter that we boiled in are done. Let me know what you think about this recipe. And I will definitely have a video on how to make this butter sauteed squash and filet mignon. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. To keep up with these latest wonderful dishes. If you want a little change or something and have a dish that's really easy and simple to put together, then definitely subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.